Hello there, Steve Schafer. Today we're at the Freestyle Masters 2022. Today I'm flying my Pilot Extra GP123, powered by GP123 engine, MTW RE2 tune pipes, Savox servos all round, jetty radio. Big thanks to Agile Aerosports. Welcome to the Freestyle Masters.
Hi guys. So, George was up first. George, we saw lots of rolling manoeuvres, rolling Harry circles, loops, blenders. I think you were part way through a one roll circle when the buzzer went. Unfortunately, we got to mark half of that. Steve, different style from yesterday from yourself. Think taking into account our feedback. We saw some good stuff. I think you're the only person to do a bog standard basic loop. Nice to see. Good variety of 3D. Saw some fairly technical stuff in your 3D flying as well. Good use of the field, good use of space. Long point rolls, great to include them. Accuracy could have been a little bit better on those, so if you focus on that. Lost marks a bit on entertainment compared to what you were doing yesterday. George, similarly on entertainment, if you did things, bring it down a bit closer to the ground, get people exciting and cheering and heckling, dare I say, you're going to score higher on entertainment. So it's a good round. We're going to take Steve through. Well done to you, George.
Thanks, judges.
Thank you.